Have you ever noticed a caterpillar munching on a leaf? These tiny creatures are more than just future butterflies, they're essential to the wild. They act as nature's powerhouses, eating leaves and storing plant energy in their bodies. This makes them a crucial food source for birds, lizards, and other animals. Most animals can't digest leaves directly, but caterpillars turn tough plant material into protein and fat. Without caterpillars, the food web would collapse. Baby birds especially depend on them to grow strong. Caterpillars are also masters of transformation. Their main mission, eat and grow, shedding their skin several times as they get bigger. After enough eating, they form a pupa, either a chrysalis or cocoon, where a dramatic transformation takes place. Inside, their bodies completely rearrange, emerging as butterflies or moths. As adults, they help pollinate flowers, supporting the ecosystem in a new way. So next time you see a caterpillar, remember, it's not just a bug, but a vital link in nature's chain. From hatching to flight, caterpillars convert sunlight stored in leaves into energy that fuels entire forests. These small creatures have a huge impact on the world around us. They're food, future pollinators, and masters of change. Even the smallest animal can play a giant role in keeping nature balanced. Every caterpillar is busy working for the ecosystem, even if it looks like it's just eating. Their role is proof that little things matter. The next time you spot one, take a moment to appreciate its hard work. They're a bridge between plants and animals, keeping the cycle of life moving. Without them, our world would be far less vibrant. Caterpillars truly are nature's unsung heroes. A caterpillar's life is risky. Almost everything wants to eat them. To survive, they've become masters of disguise and defense. Many blend in with leaves, using camouflage to become nearly invisible. Some mimic bird droppings or twigs, tricking predators into ignoring them. Others use bright colors as a warning, "Don't eat me, I'm dangerous." These warning colors often mean the caterpillar is poisonous or tastes terrible. Predators quickly learn to avoid these bold patterns. Some caterpillars are covered in spiky hairs or sharp spines, making them hard and painful to eat. A few, like the stinging rose caterpillar, even have venomous spines. Others, like the hickory-horned devil, look fierce with big horns, scaring off threats even though they're harmless. These defenses, camouflage, warning colors, and physical armor help caterpillars survive in a world full of danger. Their tricks are some of the most creative in the animal kingdom. Whether blending in or standing out, caterpillars have evolved to outsmart their enemies. Every adaptation is a response to the constant threat of being eaten. Their survival depends on staying one step ahead of hungry predators. Even the smallest caterpillar has a strategy for staying safe. These clever defenses are a big reason why caterpillars are still around today. Next time you see a caterpillar, look closely. You might spot one of these amazing tricks. Their lives are a daily battle for survival, and their creativity is key to their success. Meet the salt marsh caterpillar, a fuzzy crawler you might know as a woolly bear. Its thick coat of long hairs, black, brown, or yellowish, acts as a protective shield. Predators get a mouthful of fuzz, making this caterpillar tough to eat. Salt marsh caterpillars aren't picky. They munch on many plants, from clover to blackberry. Sometimes they even use thorny plants for extra protection. Their main goal, eat as much as possible before winter. When ready, they crawl down, find a safe spot, and spin a cocoon using silk and their own hairs. This fuzzy cocoon keeps them safe through the cold months. Inside, they transform into the white tiger moth, a white moth with black spots and a bright yellow or orange abdomen. The adult moth's life is short. Its main job is to mate and lay eggs, starting the cycle again. The salt marsh caterpillar's journey from fuzzy crawler to graceful moth is a reminder of nature's transformations. Their protective hairs and adaptability help them survive in a world full of threats. Each stage of their life is about survival and change. They show how even the simplest creatures have complex strategies. Next time you see a woolly bear, remember it's a future moth in disguise. Their story is one of resilience and transformation. Nature's wonders often start small and fuzzy. The monkey slug, or hagmoth caterpillar, is one of the strangest caterpillars you'll ever see. With 9 pairs of hairy arm-like appendages, it looks more like a hairy spider than a caterpillar. These arms aren't legs, they're covered in hairs that can deliver a painful sting. Its bizarre look is a clear warning. Stay away. When threatened, it presses its venomous arms against predators, teaching them a painful lesson. Even young monkey slugs are venomous, using chemical defenses to survive. They move by gliding like a slug, not crawling like most caterpillars. You'll find them on trees like hickory and persimmon, feeding on leaves. Sometimes, they even eat their own shed skin to recycle nutrients. When ready, they spin a tough cocoon and transform into the fuzzy hag moth. The adult moth is much less dramatic, but the caterpillar's strange look is unforgettable. The monkey slug proves that nature's weirdest creatures have important roles. Their defenses and odd movements help them survive in a dangerous world. In the web of life, even the strangest caterpillars matter. The stinging rose caterpillar is a living jewel, bright orange, yellow and blue, with spine-covered horns. Those spines are loaded with venom, delivering a painful sting to anyone who touches it. Its bold colors warn predators to stay away. This caterpillar means business. Like the monkey slug, it glides smoothly over leaves, relying on its defenses instead of speed. You'll find it on dogwood, apple, and oak trees, standing out against the green. Its warning colors are no bluff. The venom can cause a painful rash in humans and deter birds. When fully grown, it spins a tough cocoon to survive winter. In spring, a small, fuzzy moth emerges, less colorful, but well camouflaged. The caterpillar's vibrant, spiny stage is its most spectacular. The stinging rose is a perfect example of how beauty and danger can go hand in hand. Its defenses let it feed in the open, unafraid of most predators. This caterpillar is unforgettable. Admire it, but don't touch. Not all caterpillars rely on stings or camouflage. Some are brilliant builders. The snout moth caterpillar stitches leaves together with silk, creating a hidden shelter to eat in peace. Other species, like tent caterpillars, work together to build large silk tents in tree branches, protecting hundreds at once. These shelters offer safety from predators and bad weather. Some caterpillars, like sawfly larvae, use safety in numbers, feeding in groups and waving their bodies to confuse threats. Group living makes it harder for predators to pick off individuals. These behaviors show caterpillars aren't just mindless eaters, they're problem solvers. Whether building a private room or a silk fortress, they use their environment creatively. Their ingenuity helps them survive in a world full of danger. Even tiny caterpillars can be clever architects. Next time you see a rolled leaf or silk tent, look closer, it might be a caterpillar's home. Their building skills are a testament to nature's inventiveness. Survival often means thinking outside the box, even for a caterpillar. Swallowtail caterpillars are true masters of disguise. As youngsters, they mimic bird droppings, dark, glossy, and unappetizing to predators. As they grow, they turn green and develop fake snake eyes to scare off threats. If danger gets too close, they reveal a hidden organ, called the osmeterium, a forked, smelly gland that pops out and releases a foul odor. This combination of visual and chemical tricks keeps them safe at every stage. Before becoming a butterfly, they turn bright orange, signaling they're ready to transform. They spin a silk pad and girdle, then shed their skin to reveal the chrysalis. From bird-dropping mimic to snake impersonator to butterfly, swallowtails are deception experts. Their life is a masterclass in survival through change. Every stage is designed to outsmart predators. Swallowtail caterpillars prove that cleverness is key to survival. Despite their defenses, caterpillars are a vital food source for countless animals. Birds especially rely on them. One chickadee family may need thousands to raise a brood. Caterpillars convert plant energy into protein and fat, fueling the entire food web. Lizards, frogs, turtles, small mammals, and even other insects all depend on caterpillars. Some wasps use caterpillars as living nurseries, laying eggs inside them. The wasp larvae eat the caterpillar from the inside, eventually emerging as adults. This gruesome process is natural population control, keeping caterpillar numbers in check. Without caterpillars, many animals would struggle to survive. Their role as food is just as important as their role as transformers. The web of life depends on these small, protein-packed creatures. Caterpillars are the foundation of many ecosystems. Want to help caterpillars? Start by planting native plants. They're the only food many caterpillars will eat. Avoid pesticides, they harm caterpillars and the birds that depend on them. Let nature take its course. A few chewed leaves mean a healthy, lively garden. Watch caterpillars with your eyes, not your hands. Some, like the stinging rose, can sting. If you want a closer look, gently move a caterpillar with its host plant into a jar and feed it fresh leaves. Observing their transformation is a great way to learn about nature. Be curious. Look for chewed leaves and hidden caterpillars in your yard. Creating a caterpillar-friendly space supports the whole food web. You're helping feed baby birds, create future pollinators, and keep nature in balance. Every small action makes a big difference for these incredible little transformers.